Watch this entire video to the end, and then, click on the links in the description below for more information. Candle magic. 1. One of the simplest of magical arts which comes under the heading of natural magic is candle burning. It is simple because it employs little ritual and few ceremonial artifacts. The theatrical props of candle magic can be purchased at any department store and its rituals can be practiced in any sitting room or bedroom. 2. Most of us have performed our first act of candle magic by the time we are 2 years old. Blowing out the tiny candles on our first birthday cake and making a wish is pure magic. This childhood custom is based on the 3 magical principles of concentration, willpower and visualization. In simple terms, the child who wants his wish to come true has to concentrate, blow out the candles, visualize the end result, make a wish, and hope that it will come true, willpower. 3. The size and shape of the candles you use is unimportant, although highly decorative, extra large, or unusually shaped candles will not be suitable as these may create distractions when the magician wants to concentrate on the important work in hand. Most magicians prefer to use candles of standard or uniform size if possible. Those which are sold in different colors for domestic use are ideal. 4. The candles you use for any type of magical use should be virgin, that is unused. Under no circumstances use a candle which has already adorned a dinner table or been used as a bedroom candle or nightlight. There is a very good occult reason for not using anything but virgin materials in magic. Vibrations picked up by second-hand materials or equipment may disturb your workings and negate their effectiveness. 5. Some magicians who are artistically inclined prefer to make their own candles for ritual and magical use. This is a very practical exercise because not only does it impregnate the candle with your own personal vibrations, but the mere act of making your own candle is magically potent. Specialist shops sell candle wax and molds together with wicks, perfumes, and other equipment. 6. The hot wax is heated until liquid and then poured into the mold through which a suitably sized wick has already been threaded. The wax is then left to cool, and once as this has occurred the mold is removed, leaving a perfectly formed candle. Special oil-soluble dyes and perfumes can be added to the wax before the cooling process is complete to provide suitable colors and scents for a particular magical ritual. Craft shops which sell candle-making supplies can also provide do-it-yourself books explaining the technicalities of the art to the beginner. 7. Once you have purchased or made your ritual candle, it has to be oiled or dressed before burning. The purpose of dressing the candle is to establish a psychic link between it and the magician through a primal sensory experience. By physically touching the candle during the dressing procedure, you are charging it with our own personal vibrations and also concentrating the desire of your magical act into the wax. The candle is becoming an extension of the magician's mental power and life energy. 8. When you dress a candle for magical use, imagine that it is a psychic magnet with a north and a south pole. Rub the oil into the candle beginning at the top or north end and work downwards to the halfway point. Always brush in the same direction downwards. This process is then repeated by beginning at the bottom or south end and working up to the middle. 9. The best type of oils to use for dressing candles are natural ones which can be obtained quite easily. Some occult suppliers will provide candle magic oils with exotic names. If the magician does not want to use these, he can select suitable oils or perfumes from his own sources. The oils-soluble perfumes sold by craft shops for inclusion in candles can be recommended. 10. The candles you use can be colored in accordance with the following magical uses: white, spirituality and peace; red, health; energy, strength, courage, sexual potency; pink, love, affection and romance; yellow, intellectualism, imagination, memory and creativity; green, fertility, abundance, good luck and harmony; blue, inspiration, occult wisdom, protection and devotion; purple, material wealth, higher psychic ability, spiritual power and idealism; silver, clairvoyance, inspiration, astral energy and intuition; orange, ambition, career matters, and the law. 11. If you wanted to use candle magic for healing, you would select a red candle to burn. To pass an exam, burn a yellow candle; to gain esoteric knowledge, burn a blue candle; or for material gain, burn a purple one. It is obvious these colors relate to the signs of the zodiac and the planetary forces. 12. The simplest form of candle magic is to write down the objective of your ritual on a virgin piece of paper. You can use color paper which matches the candle. Write your petition on the paper using a magical alphabet, such as Theban, Enochian, Malatian, etc. As you write down what you want to accomplish through candle magic: a new job, healing for a friend, a change of residence, a new love affair, etc., visualize your dream coming true. Visualize the circumstances under which you might be offered a new job. Imagine your employer telling you that your salary has been increased, or conjure up a vision of your perfect love partner. 13. When you have completed writing down your petitio, carefully fold up the paper in a deliberately slow fashion. Place the end of the folded paper in the candle flame and set light to it. As you do this, concentrate once more on what you want from life. 14. When you have completed your ritual, allow the candle to have completely burned away. You do not need to stay with the candle after the ritual, but make sure that it is safe and that red-hot wax will not cause damage or fire. Never re-use a candle which has been lit in any magical ritual. It should only be used in that ritual and then allowed to burn away or be disposed of afterwards. 15. If you are conducting a magical ritual which involves two people, such as absent healing for a person some distance away, then the second person can be symbolically represented during the ritual by another candle. All you need to do is find out the subject's birth date and burn the appropriate candle for that zodiac sign. These are as follows: Aries, red; Taurus, green; Gemini, yellow; Cancer, silver; Leo, orange; Virgo, yellow; Libra, pink; Scorpio, red; Sagittarius, purple; Capricorn, black; Aquarius, all colors; Pisces, mauve. Get more information on candle magic, witchcraft, spells, and magic by clicking on the resource links below in the description. Make sure that you like and share this video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Visit us at witchcraftmagic.com and sign up for weekly freebies. Thanks for watching.